Okay, for the purpose of recording, I'm mentioning again. So if the numerator is greater than if the minuend is greater than subtrahend, we'll get a positive difference, and this is called match combination. If the minuend is less than subtrahend, we'll get a negative difference. We call it as mismatch. Okay. Next. Next is this one. By adding any two numbers, if you are getting some 10, and these two numbers are called complements each other. Complement each other. Tell me, what is the complement of 1?
9.
9. 2's complement?
8.
8. 3's complement?
7.
7. 4's complement?
6.
6. 5's complement?
5.
5. 6 complement?
4.
4. 7's complement?
3.
3. And 8's complement?
2.
2. And 9's complement?
1.
1. Right? Is it easy? Complements means?
Yes, sir.
For any two numbers, if you are getting some 10, both the numbers are called complements each other. One is the complement of the other. Okay. Now using these two things, which one? Match and mismatch and complement case, we are going to solve the questions. Now let me take any example question. Suppose if it is 75 minus 42. If this is the case, let me take 44. First, we are going to do left to right only. Tell me 7 minus 4. Match or mismatch?
So match.
Match only. What is the difference?
3.
3 is the difference. So simply take the difference 3. But before writing 3 here, what we have to check? We have to check the next place's match or mismatch. Next place is match or mismatch?
Match.
If it is a match, write it as it is 3 only. What to do if it is a mismatch? We'll do that later in the next example. So 7 minus 4 is 3. Before writing 3, just check the next place's match or mismatch. If it is a match, write it as it is. I have written it as it is 3 only. And 5 minus 4, anyway, it is a match, means we'll get the difference, positive difference. What is the difference? 1. So that's the answer, 31. Okay, let me take one more example here. 87 minus 29. Okay, now left to right we are going to do. First is match or mismatch. 8 minus 2. Match. So what is the difference?
6.
Only, no? But before writing 6, what I said, just check the next place's match or mismatch. Next, if the next place is mismatch, don't write 6 here, write 5 only.
Okay.
In additions, what we did?
+1.
We did +1. But here in subtractions, we are going to do -1. -1 for this. And one more thing we have to do. What is the complement of 9?
1.
1. Add that 1 to this number.
8.
8. So that's the answer, 58. Okay, two things we have to do. Whenever we get a mismatch in the next place, then reduce the difference by 1 and take the complement of subtrahend and add that complement to the minuend. Okay, what is the complement of 9? 1. We have added that 1 to the minuend. Okay, let me explain one more example. So what if the first place itself is a mismatch? Then suppose it is given like 25 minus 98, suppose.
So the number is mismatch.
It's not possible.
Yeah, it is not possible. In this case, what we can do to get the difference?
So we will change the value.
So we'll do one thing. We will subtract 25 from 98 first. Huh? Yes or no?
Sir.
After getting the result, we can represent by a negative sign.
Yes.
Okay, 9 minus 2 is a match, and the difference is
7.
7. But the next place is match or mismatch?
Match.
Match. That's why we'll write it as it is 7. And 8 minus 5 is?
3.
So the answer is actually 73 for this
73.
question. But for this question, what is the answer?
Minus 7.
Minus 70.
Minus 7.
Because the negative is bigger, that's why minus 70. So if the first place is a mismatch, then we have to take minuend as the subtrahend and subtrahend as the minuend. Take the and then apply the normal our Vedic technique. After getting the final result, we have to assign with the negative sign. That's all. But generally, when we are solving difference questions, means a subtraction questions, first digit cannot be a mismatch. Even if it is a mismatch, we'll reverse it, no problem. So first place will not be a mismatch. Only first place will be match. After first place, all the remaining places can be match or mismatch. Maybe match or mismatch. All of you understood or any doubt so far?
Understood, sir.
If
Understood,
everyone
sir.
understood, then we'll go to the exercise. Otherwise, I'll explain you taking one more example. If anyone. Neha understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nainika?
Yes, sir.
Anup? Clear?
Understood.
Anup, your voice is not clear. Tell again.
Sir, I didn't understand.
Okay, you didn't get that one. Okay, I'll explain you again. And Charan? Clear?
Sir, understood, sir.
Okay. Advik and Adve?
Understood.
Understood.
clear.
Good. Gautam Krishna understood?
Understood, sir.
Good, good. Lasya, clear, right?
Sir, I have doubt.
Okay, you have doubt. You have doubt in which question? Where you have doubt?
did got, sir.
Okay, then I'll explain you again for both of you. It is for Lasya and Anup. Look at this question. Suppose if it is 8, 3, 9, 4, 7 minus 2, 8, 4, 9. Suppose if it is again 9. Okay. You both have to respond to my questions. Anup
Yes, sir.
and Lasya.
Yes,
First
sir.
place, match or mismatch? Match means above number is greater than below number. Means subtraction is possible.
Match.
Match. Mismatch means above number is less than below number. Means subtraction is not possible with a positive value.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 8 minus 2. Match or mismatch?
Match.
Match means we can take the difference. What is the difference?
6.
6 is the difference. But before writing 6, what I told is just check the next place is match or mismatch.
It is mismatch.
Yeah, if it is match, write 6 as it is. Because it is mismatch, I don't write 6, I'll write 5 only by reducing 1. Okay.
Yes,
Got
sir.
it? Okay. Now take the complement of 8. What is the complement of 8?
2.
2. Add the 2 to the above number. 2 plus 3?
5.
5. Okay. Again, before writing 5, we should check the next place is match or mismatch.
It
Sir,
is
match.
match.
Yeah, next place is match means we can write 5 as it is. No need to reduce 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. If it is a match, then we can take the difference directly. 9 minus 4 is how much?
5.
5.
5. Can I write 5 or 4? Do I
4.
need to write 5 or 4?
Sir, 4.
4.
4. Why 4 last year?
So, the before number is a mismatch.
Next number. Yeah, next is a mismatch. That's why we have to write 4 instead of 5. Okay,
Yes.
what to do in this case?
We need to
We have to take
add
the
4.
complement
Need to
of
add
9.
complement of 9 1. So it's
Complement of 9 is 1. Add that 1 to this number.
yes, sir.
How much?
5.
5.
5. Should I
5.
write the do I need to write 5 or 4?
4.
4.
Yeah, again 4 because the next place is mismatch. That's why.
Mismatch.
Sir,
What
it
to
will
do in
be
this case?
8.
So complement of 9 is again 1. So we need to again
We'll add that 1 to the 7. We'll get the
7.
answer
Yeah,
as 8.
8.
This is the result. Okay, simple.
Yes,
Whenever
sir.
it is a mismatch,
Yes.
take the complement of subtrahend, add it to the numerator. Add it to the minuend. Okay, take the complement of subtrahend, add it to the minuend. In case of mismatch, if it is match, it is very happy. We can. But before writing the difference, we should just check the next place's match or mismatch. I think you are ready for the exercise.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, all of you go to mute. Advising,
Yes, sir.
you can select your question now.
The A part.
A only. Okay, proceed.
Sir, the
6
difference
minus 4 directly.
6 minus 4 is 5, but we will write 4 because
Wait. 6 minus 4 is how much?
the 2.
2. But what to write?
So 1.
1 only because
Because the before number is mismatch.
yeah, next number is a mismatch. Then what to do?
So we will take out the complement of 7. It is 3. Then we will plus 3 to 2. That would be 5.
Good. That's the answer. Okay. And Advik,
Sir, G part.
G1. Okay.
9 minus 6 is actually 3, but we will write 2 because the next place is mismatch.
Good.
Then the complement of 2 is 8. 8 plus 0 is 8.
Good. Charan.
Sir, B1.
Okay.
Sir, 7 minus 2 is 5, but we should write 4 because the next number is
Mismatch.
mismatch.
Okay.
Complement of 8 is 2. 2 plus 5 is 7.
Good. And whose turn? Anup.
Sir, H bit.
Which one?
H bit.
F bit.
No, H.
H bit. Okay, proceed.
So 8 minus 3 is 5. Sir, but it's a mismatch, so we'll write as 4.
Okay.
Yeah, and 8's complement is 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4.
Good. And Gautam? Gautam Krishna. All of you be ready.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
F1,
Which question
sir.
you want to do?
F, sir.
F bit. Okay, proceed.
6 minus 3 is 3, but the next one is mismatch, sir. So we have to keep 2.
Okay.
And the complement of 7 is 3. So we have to add 3 to the 5. So 8, sir. Answer is 28.
Good. And Lasya? Lasya,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
which question?
See, sir.
Okay.
So 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 we can't do, sir, because the before number is
No. First take the difference. What is the difference? 5 minus 1 is how much?
4.
Yeah, before writing 4, now check the next place.
5 minus 1 is 4. So it is mismatch, so we can't do that.
Tell me what to do then. Lasya?
Yes, sir. I
Unmute.
didn't, so I was in mute.
5 minus 1 is 4.
Yes,
But
sir.
should we write 4 or 3? We have to decide based on this
So we need to
combination.
write 3, sir.
Yeah. Then
And 5's complicated number is 5
complement.
only.
Don't complicate, complement. Complement of 5 is?
5.
Okay.
So 5 plus 1 is 6.
Yes, that's all. That is the answer. Okay, Nainika,
Yes, sir.
which question?
I'll take E.
E.
Yes, sir.
There is no mismatch,
Oh,
which is
sir,
very
I
easy.
didn't notice.
Okay, no problem.
I'll take D then, sir. I'll take D, sir. I did not notice. I was gonna take
Okay,
F, but
then
it
solve
was
for D.
not there now.
Solve D. Solve D. No problem.
So, sir, first it's 3, but 6 minus 3 is 3, but the next
Okay.
one is mismatch. So then it will become 2, and then
Okay.
2, and then 8's complement is 2. So then
Okay.
7 plus 2 is 9. So 29 is answer.
Yes, good. And 4 minus 2 is 2 here. 6 minus 5 is 1, and no mismatch. No concept of complement. So next, whose turn? It is Neha, I think, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Which question? Select your question.
Sir, J.
J bit. Okay.
5 minus 2 is 3,
Okay.
but the next one is mismatch, so we write it as 2.
Okay.
Then complement of 7 is 3.
Okay.
3 plus 1 is 4.
Okay.
But the next one is mismatch, so we write it as 3.
Good.
Then complement of 9 is 1.
Okay.
1 plus 0 is 1.
Okay.
But the next one is mismatch, so we write it as 0.
Good.
Then complement of 8 is 2. So we add 2 plus 1, 3. But the
Okay.
next one is mismatch, so we write it as 2.
Good.
And then complement of 6 is 4.
Okay.
4 plus 5 is 9.
Good. Very good. Super. And Soumya,
Yes, sir. Sir,
question.
A bit.
A bit. Okay.
Okay, so the first one is a match, so it will be 2
Yeah,
because
you can say that how you got the 2. 4 minus 1 is
4 minus 1 is 3, but the
okay.
next one, the next number is mismatch,
Mismatch
so it's 2. So 2.
becomes 2. Okay. Then
And 8,
8,
the
sir.
complement of 8 is 2.
Okay.
Complement of 8 is 2. So 6,
6. Should we write 6 or 5?
6 only,
Because
because the next one is a match.
okay, good. And
And then the next one, 4 minus 3 is 1. So
good. And Advi,
The D part.
which one?
D.
C bit. Okay.
8 minus 3 is 5, but we will write 4.
Okay.
And 4's complement is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7.
Okay.
But we will write 6.
Okay.
And 5 complement is 5. 3 5 is 8. So we
8. Good, good. And Advi, sorry, Advik,
Sir, L.
L.
No, sir. I'm changing it to G. G.
Which question?
G, sir.
B for Bombay or D for Delhi?
Sir, G for Greenland.
G for, okay, okay. Proceed.
Sir, 7 minus 1 is actually 6, but we will write 5 because the next place is mismatch.
Good. Hmm.
1 minus 7.
If it is a mismatch, we don't think of the difference. Then we have to go for the complement. No?
Complement is 3 of 7. 1 plus 3, 4, but we will write 3. 3
Okay.
only, sir.
Shall we write 3 or any other?
Sir, we will write.
Okay. We have to write 3 only. No? 3 plus 1 is 4 actually. But to write?
Yes. Then
Okay.
the complement again, it will be 4, sir.
3 plus 1 is 4. Should we write 4 or minus 1?
4.
4 only. Okay.
And then 6.
7 minus 1 is 6. Good. Correct. And whose turn? Charan. Right?
Sir, L1.
L bit. Okay. Good. Proceed.
Sir, 9 minus 3 is 6. Sir, 6 minus 6
Tell me
is
the
3.
next place is match or mismatch. Subtraction is
Sorry.
possible or not possible?
Sir, possible, sir. Match.
Possible means it is a match case.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the difference here?
Sir, 0, 6 minus 6, 0.
Okay. But the next place is match or mismatch?
Sir, mismatch.
All of you
sir.
see here once. Next place is mismatch, but here we have a 0. But we don't have 0 here. We have 60. Remember this point? We don't have 0 here. We have 60. Now 60 should be reduced by 1.
Sir, 59.
What happened, Nainika?
Sorry, sir, something got touched. I was trying to mute.
Okay. So 60 should be reduced by 1. So 60 becomes
59.
59. Now it is okay. Now proceed.
Sir, the complement of 9 is 1. 3 plus 1, 4.
Okay.
And
Should we
0
write 4 or any other?
Sir, 4 only.
4 only because the next place is match. 0 minus 0?
0.
So now it is 40.
Sir,
Tell me, next place is match or mismatch?
Sir, mismatch.
Then 40 becomes?
39.
Don't forget to reduce this one. Okay, after reducing this one, then we have to go for a complement. No? Okay,
Sir,
40 minus 1 becomes 39. Then?
The complement of 9 is 1. 3 plus 1, 4.
Okay.
Next
Should we
one
write
is
4 or any other?
Sir, 4 only because next one is match.
Okay, 4. Then?
6 minus 6 is 0.
0 or minus 1?
Sir, 0 only.
Because the next place is match.
Yes, sir. Sir,
And
9 minus 3 is 6.
6. So the finally answer is 5939406. Okay. If you get the difference as a 0, and the next place is mismatch, we have to take the before digit also into consideration. Remember this one point, extra point, additional point. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Gautam, which question? All of you see this K bit, how to do this K bit?
Yes, sir.
There is one digit missing. How to do that?
We should take 0, sir, in place of the missing digit.
Yes, we have to consider that place as 0. So to increase the number of digits of any number, we will keep 0 now in place
sir.
before the number. Okay. Now you can proceed. Which question?
Yes, sir.
K only. Okay.
1 minus 0 is 0. 1, sir. But the next one is mismatch. So we have to keep 0.
Okay.
And the complement of 7 is 3, sir. So
Okay.
3 plus 4 is equals to 7.
Okay.
And the next one is match. So 2 minus 1 is 1.
Okay.
Next one is also match. So 8 minus 4 is 4. but the next one is mismatch. So we have to take 3 and the complement of 8 is 2. So 5 plus 2 is equals to 7.
Okay, now you have understood the approach and you are somewhat explaining in a fast way. Okay, practice few more questions, and after practicing few more questions, try to do them mentally without using pen paper.
Okay, sir.
Directly you should able to write the answer only without that process. By taking that complement process also, you should able to do. You have
Okay,
to
sir.
avoid this marking complements.
Okay, sir.
Slowly. Okay. Then Lasya,
Yes, sir.
which
Uh,
question?
D, sir.
C.
D,
Sorry. D. Okay. Proceed.
Sir, 6 minus 3 is 3.
Okay. Shall we write 3 or minus 1?
3 only, sir.
Because
Because the next one is
match.
match number.
Okay. Then
And 9 minus 6 is 3.
shall we write 3 or minus 1?
Minus 1.
Because
The next number is mismatch.
mismatch. Then
8 plus 2.
complement. We call it as complement. Complement
Yes.
of 8 is 2.
Yes, sir. And plus 6, sir.
5 plus 2, na? How 6?
7, sir.
7. Good.
Yes.
And 9, Ika?
Sir, can I take H?
Sorry, H bit.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, why not? Proceed.
First, 8 minus 3 is 5, but it will become 4 and then 4 and
Okay,
then
here
2,
I am
sir.
not going to write the complements. Okay.
Yeah, then 2, sir, but 2 will become 1.
Okay.
And then 3. It will become 3, sir.
Complement of 3, not 3. Complement of 3.
Sorry, sir, 7.
7. But what to write?
7, but you have to write 6, sir. And
Okay.
then 9, 9, sir.
9's complement is 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. Good. Okay. Then Neha. 2. B bit.
Mom, sir, F.
F bit. Okay, good. So
Sir,
now
this is
it is
0.
okay.
3 minus 0 is 3.
Okay. What to write? 3 or minus 1?
So 3.
Okay. Then
4 minus 2 is 2, but we write 1 as the next one is mismatch.
okay.
Then the complement of 8 is 2. 5
Okay.
plus 2 is 7.
Okay.
And then 6 minus 1 is
Why
5.
minus 1? Next place is match only, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
So
7,
after
7
writing
only.
7. After writing 7,
After writing 7, it is
6 minus 1. So it's 5.
5. Okay. You are explaining that 6 minus 1.
Yes,
I'm thinking here 6. Okay. And whose turn? Soumya? I bit?
I bit.
Hmm.
The 6 minus 3 is 6 minus 3 is 3,
Okay.
but we
Next
write
place is
3
match or mismatch?
match
Match only. That's why 3. 3 minus 3?
0
0. But the next place is match or mismatch?
match mismatch.
Then what to do?
Uh,
30 becomes
20 is 2.
29.
First, yeah,
Okay.
29.
Then
And then 6 is the complementary of 8 is 2,
okay.
so it will become 8, but it will become 9 because the next one is
9 or minus 1? Plus 1 or minus 1? What you are doing?
sorry, minus 1, minus 1.
Minus 1. After doing minus 1, you'll get
After doing minus 1, we will get 7.
7. Okay. Then
And then 3, wait, okay. The complementary of 8 is 2, so
okay.
it will be 5.
5. Good. Okay. I'm leaving this one as your homework. I'll upload this one in the Voice app. Okay. So shall we go to the next concept? Shall
Yes,
we
sir.
start the multiplication basic?
Yes, sir.
So we will do the exercise also today only.
Sorry?
So we'll do the exercise of multiplication also today only.
No, we cannot. We have only 2 minutes left.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Otherwise, I don't give any concept for multiplication. I'll just give the things which we are going to see. Okay. I'll just explain what are the things which we are dealing in multiplications. In multiplications.
Sir, tomorrow do we have class?
Yes, tomorrow we have class.
Okay.
At the same time, we have class tomorrow also. And tomorrow we are going to start multiplications. Okay. We will see multiplications in 2 types. One is special multiplication techniques, and another is general multiplication techniques. Special multiplication techniques are those techniques for which we can apply the shortcut and we can get the answer immediately, sometimes using pen and maximum times without using pen paper.
Sir, is it conditional like
Yes, it is conditional. Yes, correct. If that situation came, then you can apply that technique. Otherwise, that technique is not applicable. If and yeah, what we call it as if else, right? Conditional. If that situation comes, whatever the situation I am going to give you for special, there are many special types of multiplication techniques are there. So they are situational. If the situation comes, we use that technique. Otherwise, we'll go for general multiplication. And general multiplication, there is no condition. For any number, we can apply. Any 2-digit number into 2-digit number. Any 3-digit number into 2-digit number. Any 3-digit number into 3-digit number. Next, slowly, we are going to see any number of digits into any number of digits. Any number of digits into any number of digits. So all these things we'll see in general multiplication. And even here also 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit numbers will be there, but they are situational. Means if the 2 numbers follow that situation, we can apply that shortcut here. See here, suppose what we can give like 9,999 into 7,847. So for this question, we can answer in a single step. Directly, we can write the answer only without doing any process for this question. Because it is situational. What is the situation here? The number of digits are 4 and here the number of 9s are 4. So means we are going to multiply by a series of 9s. By a number which is of series of 9s. So if series of 9s are given, what to do? I'll explain that and you can apply that technique directly to get the answer. Got it? Answer for this question is 784621554. That's the answer. You can check in your calculator. Okay, how I have written this answer? I'll explain this when that situation comes. Okay. Tomorrow we are going to start multiplications only. First, we will see all special type of multiplications. At the end, we are going to see general multiplication. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll meet tomorrow again. And
Thank you,
meanwhile,
sir.
don't forget to solve the homeworks.
Yes, sir.
And along with the homework, you can take your own numbers and you can apply those techniques on your numbers.
Okay, sir.
Right, right.
Sir, we need to
Yes,
post
sir.
the homework in Vedic Max group.
Sorry,
Sir, where we need to post the homework?
I'm posting it in a content
No,
of
sir.
Wise app.
Where we need to
Content of
post?
Wise app.
Yes. Where we need to post, sir?
You can post it in the same Wise app only.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. Bye. Good night.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.